After aligning the recalling stencil, gently press it down and evenly apply the solder paste onto the mesh. Do not repeatedly scrape, as long as each mesh is filled with solder paste. With a dust-free cloth with board wash water and wipe it clean. Remove the recalling stencil. Hot air gun temperature 350. Wind speed 40, 8mm, nozzle blowing, melting. The one we use is 果粉会 solder paste, which is specifically designed for mid-layer repair. It forms round and firm balls. You can see that every point is very clean and perfect. I recommend this solder paste to you.